that's great. You can help me, ate. What gonna do?
First, we need to gently lay you down in a comfortable position on your foot. Next, I have to gently massage you so the muscle will evenly unflap. Then for more pressure, I'm gonna go get ice and apply it to your leg.
It's better.
By doing this, the cramp will eventually go away. Does it still hurt?
No. Oh, thank you. But it still hurts a little bit. Can you check what needs to be done?
Then I'll apply muscle pain relief cream on the cramp muscle area.
Okay.
Then I'll go get something else that'll help you with this injury.
Okay.
You need to drink this.
Oh. Oh, what is this?
It's salt mixed with water.
And what does it do to me?
You need something to drink with potassium in it.
Okay, thank you. I feel a lot better now.
Okay.
I'll go Zumba again.
This time be careful.
Thank you.